Daily habits that boost productivity instantly. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore daily habits that can boost your productivity instantly. In our fast-paced world, finding ways to maximize our efficiency is essential. By incorporating a few simple habits into your daily routine, you can enhance your focus, manage your time better, and accomplish more. Let's dive into these effective habits. First, start your day with a morning routine. Establishing a consistent morning routine sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. Consider waking up at the same time each day and incorporating activities that energize you, such as stretching, meditation, or a quick workout. A healthy breakfast can also fuel your body and mind, preparing you for the tasks ahead. By starting your day with intention, you'll feel more focused and ready to tackle your responsibilities. Next, prioritize your tasks using the Eisenhower matrix. This simple tool helps you categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. Divide your tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Focus on completing tasks in the first 2 quadrants first. This method helps you identify what truly matters and prevents you from getting bogged down by less important tasks. Another effective habit is to implement the Pomodoro technique. This time management method involves working in focused bursts, typically 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. After completing 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This technique helps maintain your concentration and prevents burnout. During the work intervals, eliminate distractions and focus solely on the task at hand. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in short, focused periods. Next, consider decluttering your workspace. A clean and organized environment can significantly enhance your productivity. Take a few minutes each day to tidy up your desk, remove unnecessary items, and create a space that promotes focus. Having a clutter-free workspace allows your mind to concentrate better and reduces distractions, making it easier to get things done. Incorporating regular breaks into your day is another crucial habit. It may seem counterintuitive, but taking short breaks can actually boost your productivity. Step away from your work, stretch, or take a quick walk. This helps refresh your mind and prevents fatigue. When you return to your tasks, you'll find that you can approach them with renewed energy and focus. Additionally, practice the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This simple habit helps prevent small tasks from piling up and overwhelming you later. Whether it's responding to an email, making a quick phone call, or organizing a few items, tackling these small tasks right away keeps your to-do list manageable and your mind clear. Another powerful habit is to set specific goals for each day. At the beginning of each day, write down 3 to 5 key tasks you want to accomplish. Having clear goals provides direction and helps you stay focused on what matters most. As you complete each task, check it off your list. This sense of accomplishment can motivate you to keep going and maintain your productivity throughout the day. Finally, limit your multitasking. While it may seem efficient to juggle multiple tasks at once, research shows that multitasking can actually decrease productivity. Instead, focus on one task at a time until it's completed before moving on to the next. This approach allows you to give your full attention to each task, resulting in higher quality work and greater efficiency. In conclusion, incorporating these daily habits into your routine can lead to an instant boost in productivity. By establishing a morning routine, prioritizing tasks, using the Pomodoro technique, decluttering your workspace, taking regular breaks, practicing the 2-minute rule, setting specific goals, and limiting multitasking, you can enhance your focus and accomplish more each day. If you found these tips helpful, click our logo on the right side below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.